Hi everyone, it's Judy here with my Life as Kikay. Welcome to today's swatch video. I'm going to be swatching for you guys the Natasha Denona Star Eyeshadow Palette. I've had this one for a little while. I don't even remember if I've even used it on my channel before. Maybe I should create a tutorial using this. Let me know if you guys want to see that. I know this palette has been out for years now, in fact, and I'm not quite sure if it's even relevant anymore, if even people want to see makeup tutorials using this palette, because I know it is quite expensive as well. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see that. Otherwise, just enjoy today's swatch video. So yeah, I'll just get straight into it. Okay, so because of the way that I'm positioned and my arm is positioned, I'm gonna work my way down the palette this way, so like rows this way, okay? Okay. you guys, those are all the swatches from the Natasha Denona Star Eyeshadow Palette. As you can see, there is a lot of fallout from these shades. There's only a very few that I am actually quite impressed with, and that was this gunmetal brown blue one here, and this other gold one here. Those two, and this one here. I'm not quite sure what the shade names are, but I will be editing them into the video. But yeah, that's the swatches from the Natasha Denona Star Eyeshadow Palette. The glitters, I wouldn't say they're worth bothering with. As you can see, they've kind of just exploded everywhere through the palette, and it's just, there is a lot of kick up, and I wasn't even aggressively digging the brush into the shades there, or, I mean, you saw what I did. You guys saw what I did. There is a lot of kick up and fall out from this palette, but that's probably just the nature of these shadows. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!